Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be sharing with you how I made this Nigerian Agege bread, or better still the Ghana buttered bread, because it actually originated from Ghana. This is actually my first time of trying this, so if you want to see how I achieved this, keep on watching. So first I'm going to be putting some dry yeast into a half glass of warm water, 2 teaspoons of dry yeast. In fact, all the ingredients will be listed in the description box below. Next, I will be adding in a teaspoon of sugar, and I will leave this combination to rise for about 15 minutes. Next, let's start our baking properly. So I'll be adding in some flour, bread flour, into a bowl. The measurement is in the description box. Next, I'll be adding half teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of sugar. Mix all the dry ingredients together. And I'm adding my butter. Mix together. So it's been 15 minutes. Now I'm going to add my mixture of yeast. As you can see, there's bubbles in the yeast because it rose up. Next, I'm going to add in some milk. Like I said, measurement in description box below. Next, I'm going to add in 1 egg and mix everything together. If you have a mixer, it is good to use a mixer during this process. I was just being lazy to use a mixer. As you can see, I'm adding a bit of more flour because I felt the mixture was too soft. You have to knead for almost 15 minutes. That is why a mixer is very important during this process. Next, take it to a work table, spread some flour on your work table and start kneading. You need your energy to really knead this bread because the kneading is what makes it into that agege fluffy bread that we're looking for. Try to fold the dough into each other, like we need the bubbles in the middle. I don't know if I'm explaining it right, guys. You see, we need this elasticity. As you can see, I'm using the heat of my palm to knead the dough into the middle. So after kneading for about 10 to 15 minutes, next step, we'll put it back in the bowl. Add some flour in your bowl so it doesn't stick. Now cover and keep in a cool, dry place to rise for about an hour. So this is after 1 hour. You see how elastic our dough is. Transfer back to a work surface and start kneading like this again, just the way I am doing it. This time you don't have to knead for too long, maybe 5 minutes, it's okay. Now try to flatten your dough and form it into the shape you want. So guys, while you are forming it into shape by folding it, try to do it just like this. That is how you get that agege consistency and the bread will be like full. My explanation, I don't know if you guys are really getting it, but I'm sure you're seeing it from the video.
She the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Baby carry the go for a bad man. See the way she the roll for a bad man. She be taking it slow for a bad man. When she dropping the low for a bad man. Nah, 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 nah. Ginger me. How they want to ginger me today? Make you ginger me. All the ladies in the house they want to ginger me today. So I'm here for the girls.
So guys, This is my shape. I'm just going to get my pan now. This is the baking pan I have. Mine doesn't have a cover. I'm going to cover with a cling film. So grease inside with a butter or oil and spread in some flour also. This is for the bread not to stick onto it when it's ready. Now place your dough inside. Cover and allow to rest for another 20 to 30 minutes. Yes, again. So this is it. After about 20 minutes, it has risen a bit. Now I'm just going to take it straight into the oven on 180. As you can see, there's a bowl of water underneath where I'm cooking it. This is for the bread to cook properly. So guys, after about 50 minutes, here is my bread ready. Isn't it lovely? See the color looking very nice. For a first timer, I think I tried, and the bread is really heavy, like the normal Agege bread we get to buy in Nigeria. So guys, this bread was really tasty too. My husband loves it because my husband loves Agege bread. So we have come to the end of this video. I do hope you find this recipe helpful, guys. Please, if you do, don't forget to like. Please share this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you. Bye.